Hey National MI, we are going to do a quick recap of how to use Instagram to grow your business. So there are 200 million daily active users on Instagram that are visiting a business profile every day. So that means a lot of people are using Instagram to look for businesses and look up professionals. So if you're not on Instagram already, get on it now. If you are on Instagram, think about what is your goal or intention of your account. Are you trying to generate leads? Are you increasing your brand awareness? Are you trying to sell a product or a service? If you have a clear goal or focus, it's going to help you create better content, more meaningful content, and kind of have this flow in your post that's going to really resonate with users and have them think of you as a strong leader. Be consistent and with your aesthetic and post often. If you have kind of like a really clear focus and idea, if people can go to your page and know, hey, this is what so-and-so is doing, I get their message, I get their image, it's going to make them want to come back and see what you're up to. If you're really clear with posting, financial tips on Mondays or things like that, it's good to kind of develop a pattern and a schedule so that people will know to expect things from you. Create short-form, engaging content. People have low attention span these days, but video is really key and great for reaching younger audiences, but you want to keep them maybe under, it depends on if you're doing a story, which is going to be a 15-second tops, or longer videos, maybe like 2 minutes. But use videos, use the Instagram Stories feature, and post quality and authentic photos. Tag locations and people, and use hashtags often to expand your reach. Be active and engage. Comment on other people that you follow's accounts so that you're out there kind of interacting with your online social community, and then respond to comments and messages on your own account. Use Instagram Stories. This is the little circle at the top of your Instagram profile, and these are kind of great for behind the scenes, real authentic, I'm at an open house or at this community event kind of posts so that people can kind of get a look into your day-to-day. You can also use them to promote new posts or pages on your website. Instagram Live, this is the video streaming in real time. So this is a great way to use the streaming feature while you can also get engagement. Viewers can respond and ask you questions, and you can actually interact with them right then and there while you're using Instagram. Finally, think about setting up a business profile if you want to keep your personal one separate. This is great for if you want to kind of have your two different accounts and you want to make sure that you have things that you don't think should be seen in the industry, then you can keep your personal profile private and your business profile separate. But it is also totally okay to blend the two. It really adds authenticity to your account. Just make sure you're aware that everyone will see whatever you post. The perks of a business profile are that you can view analytics and that you can boost your posts and create Instagram ads. So that's Instagram in a nutshell. We also had a really great response to this webinar. So there is a question and answer video available where we answered a lot of your great questions after this webinar in June. So thank you.